Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show how you can run a group fit report inside of Crystal. So the first thing you need to do is navigate to Crystal's website, select reports, and then scroll down to building teams and select group fit report. You can either hit build report here or just select anywhere on this bar. You'll be prompted to choose a primary profile. This is going to be who you are comparing the main person against the group. So in this case, I will add a coworker. I'll then select a few other coworkers. I see a lot of different ones pop up there. We've got a lot of test accounts. All right, I'll just run it with that much. I'll select build report. And we can see we've got an overview of how Megan is going to fit in with this group basically. So she's going to be pretty comfortable with the communication and collaboration of the group. We've got this personality map so we can see how Megan's personality type is in general, and then we can see how she can be most effective inside this group. The personality comparison here is going to show how Megan rounds out this group basically. So we can see she's more trusting than most people in this group by 20%. She's less pragmatic, more collaborative. So she's rounding out the characteristics of this group here, which is a good thing. We want our groups to be well-rounded. We can see a relationship summary here of Megan versus every person in the group. So a little relationship summary and then a fit score. And that is the group fit report. So this report can be printed off and saved as a PDF if you'd like. You can actually share it with others or duplicate it and add more people. Now, these reports are really great to run for if you've got somebody joining the team and you want to make sure that they're going to get along with everybody, or if you want to just see how they're going to get along with everybody, make sure that, if there's any low fit scores, Megan has a low fit score with Greg, they actually get along really great and work really well because they have an understanding of where the potential for their relationship to be difficult is. So they know how to mitigate that. So this is just great all along and mitigate that. So this is just all around great information to have when you're bringing in a new person into the team. Thanks and have a great day.